Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you how to add mist to your background. It is a cheap trick that might save you a lot of time. Without further ado, let's jump to Blender. Using this scene, I will quickly explain to you how to add fog. It's nothing complicated, so let's start. Step 1. Add camera to your scene. This is very important. Step 2. Go to View Layer Properties, find Passes, Data, and mark the mist. Let's stop here for a short moment and let me to explain you few things that might be a little bit confusing in the beginning. I will isolate camera so it would be easier for you to understand what is going on. Now I will show you a few options that will allow you gain more control over the mist. Okay, so let's go to Object Data Properties. If you select your camera, here you will see green icon that looks like camera, yeah? Press. Okay, and now find Viewport Display and press Mist. As you notice, now we can see this straight line, okay? So what is this straight line? Well, this shows you where the mist will start and when ends, okay? Here is 0, here is 1. 0 means black color, and 1, it's totally white. Okay, so it's going from black to white. Now we have second question. How can I control those points so I could move them? Luckily, there is an option for that, but not in Object Data Properties. We have to switch to World Properties. Here you can find Mist Pass, and as you can see, here you can control where the mists start and the depth. So what is fall off? If you hover your mouse over this part, you will find a hint. Fall off is type of transition used to fade mist, and that's all should be enough for you to understand what this option do. Okay, so let's go back to our scene. Now, when everything is set up, we can render our scene. You can press F12. When your render is finished, let's switch to compositing. Press Use Node. Now, let's add Viewer, Shift A, Output, Viewer, connect image to image, and press Backdrop. V, you zoom out, Alt V, you zoom in. As you can see, here we have mist, okay? Let's connect this to viewer, and this is how looks mist pass, okay? This kind of mask. And this is what we will compose to image to overlay mist effect. So let's start. Okay, so this is the easy way. Doesn't mean it's the right way, but it's just to show you how to do it. Shift A, search color or ramp, okay. With this node, we will control the depth of the fog, also the color. So let's switch something to purple, okay. Connect mist to the factor. Now another node, Shift A, search mix. Let's add here, don't worry. And let's connect image to the second slot. Okay, we are very close. And now from mix, change to add. As you can see, here we have mist in our background. And with this slider, you can control the depth. And now connect the image here to compose. And when you choose viewer and you go to items, you can save your image. If you like this video, please subscribe. Also don't forget press the notification bell and like button. And thank you very much.